Ya July tene diri yang rasa Zen Ladakh na jun chik tanju tene diri ngaje geothermal madam tene kunje se ka invert zat dupin tene ko ani tapana turje che tene diri mem kunje se tene ka book chik tene release chu za cheno te phya tene ka dunpo mo post ke du tene ina chi degree dulat te samanya samasting zigma pulinju tene zik sa zat iskor bole Yale tani rumpo changma leps tu gale ina rumpo changma leps tu le Jule sir Bakka sir sir thank you sir बिल्कुल तशी तरी चले
Very warm welcome to all of you to this special and historic evening. The launch book of the Geothermal Wonders of Ladakh, authored by Madam Kunjes Dolma. We are truly honored to have among us our chief guest, C. Advocate Tashi Gyalsan, our guest of honor, Mahatera Bhikkhu Sangha Sena, and all other distinguished dignitaries and respected members of the audience, a very warm welcome to each one of you. This evening is not just about the releasing a book, but about celebrating Ladakh's potential, its people, and its future in sustainable energy. To begin this auspicious evening, I request our chief guest, CEC LHDC Shri Tashi Gyalsan, guest of honor, Mahatera Bhikkhu Sangha Sena, and the president of Ladakh Buddhist Association, Sri Siring Dorje Lakruk, and also the author, Madam Kunzes Dolma, to kindly come forward for the traditional lighting of the butter lamp. May this light guide us towards knowledge, sustainability, and the brighter Ladakh. Let us enjoy the glimpse of our rich heritage. Please welcome Unsok Ladakhi, our performer, for a short Ladakhi folk song.
Nam khala cho thao met pa kuna kya cho ku dorje changchen yang yang tan sen se chig dunwa solwa de lama kiram ta burjingi 이분 이장산 Sem se chig dunwa solwa de lama kerang ta burchingi shar jahor yuldu lotin thi jilaban ma bun ma jum dili sherab zampo yang yang ta Sem se chig dunwa solwa de lama kerang ta burchingi lo jam pushpa hari lokma kyu chochika wa chugnisha kaspa naro panchen yang yang tan se chig dunwa solwa de lama kerang ta burchingi lo do yu do bi nyen gyu ti tamba potla gyu kaspa na da gyur marpa lo chayang yang tan se chig dunwa solwa de lama kerang ta burchingi 이 책분이자 사고서나 이 멜루만 이 오게나 디공 배창부 상루 갑자는 거 템제 지그 둥와 솔와데 라마 케랑 타 부르칭기 카레몰랑 셈제 지그 둥와 솔와데 이소 답전 할 둥와 솔와데 라마 बिल्कुल लगे चिल्ला तो न दंग नाले ये जिक के उन्हें लगा दंग पर
Chairman and Chief Executive Councillor Shri Advocate Shri Tashi Gelson LBA President का Siring Dorje Lakruk Jen Sangasena Deputy Chairman Hill Council Sri Anshuk and Miss Kunzes Dolma and the proud father, Mr. Samruk. First, a big applause for Mr. Samruk. This is a big surprise for me because today I was not at all prepared and I was not told that I have to give a speech. So So when I got a message, SMS message, not SMS message, because our common WhatsApp group, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट फोरम ऑफ लद्दाख SDFL, उसमें कुंदस ने लिखा है कि जो है बुक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, all are invited. So I was just thinking that only few people must be there from Derrida and IMI and SDFL. I was not expecting such a big gathering here. So what I did was I thought that I might be asked to say something. So I went to Google and to search around things कि जो है मेरे बोलने से क्या चलेगा. Rather I will just find what Kunjas has done. So therefore, rather I speaking about her, I will speak about what world says. There is one IA, like Google, like you must be knowing ChatGPT. There is another one is there which is called Perplexity, which gives very authentic description of a person, and that is known to the whole world. So please listen what the world says about her. I just typed Kunjas Jolma, geothermal power expert from Ladakh. I just said please list her achievements. So I will just go about what they say. The world says so. Ms. Kunjas Dolma is a renowned geothermal power expert from Ladakh and has pioneering contribution to India's renewable energy sector, particularly in advancement of geothermal energy and empowerment of women in the field. Here are some her achievements. Professional and academic milestone. First women geothermal professional in India. Ms. Kunjas Dolma is the first Indian woman to be trained formally in geothermal profession, making a historic milestone for the country's energy sector. Second, international scholarship and training. She received 6-month fellowship and later an MSc fellowship at United Nations University Geothermal Training Programs, UNU, GTP, and Rijvik University, Iceland. Third, World Geothermal Congress speaker. She was invited to speak at major platforms including World Geothermal Congress 2023 in Beijing and various educational institutions across India. And another thing is that geothermal projects and community impacts of her. It is Pugaveri geothermal project. Ms. Dolma played a pivotal role in conceptualizing and driving the ONGC Pugaveri geothermal project. That is India's first geothermal pilot project, including drafting the MOU that led to its establishment. The power project is expected to generate 1 megawatt of power and transform Ladakh energy accessibility. Second is Chumathang Greenhouse Initiative. She initiated and experimented with the geothermal power greenhouse in Chumathang, enabling winter vegetable farming for Ladakh communities. This innovation was adopted by many local farmers, improved food security during harsh winter. Another achievement of her is preliminary assessment for defense research, contributed to assessment of 3 megawatt project at Chumathang with DIHAR, that is Defense Institute of High Altitude Research. And the most important thing is advocacy and leadership. Promotion of geothermal to local population. She has educated school children through field trips, online talks, practical demonstration, raising awareness about geothermal benefit. And she is India's ambassador for women in geothermal. Ms. Dolma actively promoted professional development and advancement of women in geothermal profession and she received 2019 Wing Courageous Award for her inspiring work. And third is champion of gender equity and equality. Ms. Kunzes has advocated for women's participation in Ladakh decision making, contributed to step up region's first women's shelter, inspired policy changes in reservation of women's seat in local governments. And her various recognition includes Wing Courageous Award 2019, United States Wing Award for Courageous, recognized for both her technical achievement and commitment to equality. And the last and the most important is social and environmental impact. Her projects support Ladakh transition to clean renewable energy and improve living standards, especially winter and harsh environment of Ladakh. Ms. Dolma advocacy extends to safe housing for women, cradle center, and addressing women domestic violence through institutional intervention. Ms. Kunzes Dolma continued to inspire through innovative works, tireless outreach, and commitment to both sustainable energy and gender equity. So this what I have said, it is through Perplexity, that is an AI like ChatGPT, which the world recognizes. That is not my words. So coming to my own experience with her, when we were in just 2010, we were establishing Lareda. So we didn't have any idea how to go about. We had given a proposal to Government of India, MNRE, about 600 crore project, out of which 473 crore project was sanctioned for Ladakh. And to how to implement, that was a biggest challenge. And I had to make a team. And working in remote area, in Chamthang, Yulchun Nerak and all this Transingala area. So it was very difficult. Initially I thought I will keep only, I'm not discriminating against gender. I was thinking you need to have a very tough people. So Ms. Kunzes stepped up in my office and said, Kale, I want to work in this field. Initially I was apprehensive and I said to Kunzes, you have to go day and night to places where, we don't have, places where we don't have accommodation and things. It was very difficult. Can you do it? I said, I can do it. So that I saw the confidence in her that she can, do it. And I give an example of it. She was looking after greenhouse in my office. So one Nambardar from Turtuk and Bogdan, Turtuk, came to my house. What we used to do, we used to supply plastic for greenhouse. Once you construct the walls, then we supply it. That Nambardar said, we have constructed, every house has constructed the greenhouse building. Now you issue this much number of greenhouse. So I was a bit apprehensive whether it is true or not. It was in the afternoon. I called Kunzes, this person is saying कि जो है इतना देना है, आप पता करो. So without any question, she left to Turtuk Bogdan. And next, I said, she is in charge. She has done all the recce of the whole area. There is not a single greenhouse been made. I can't issue. This is the evidence, all the photographs. That was the thing. Not only these places, you can, all the remote areas, she has gone herself without any support. कहाँ बैठा, किधर बैठा, कुछ भी पता नहीं. लड़कों को जाने के मुश्किल हो जाता है. Just think of a girl, she is such a, determined person. And she was very sure that she will work on thermal energy, and I found that geothermal could be the best. And she applied for the geothermal program. supported by Ministry of MNRE, Ministry of New Renewable Energy. There they choose only one in the whole country, and she topped. After just that was just for the diploma. She had that time gone through some big problem in life. I was very apprehensive whether she could complete that. After that there was MSc program. She topped again. In the UN University. And then came the most important one. They support only one person in the whole world for doing doctorate research. She topped in the whole world. So there is the determination and things. After coming from there, she has advocated for women equality, inclusivity, using all the legal framework and raise the stature of all the women in our Ladakh, the women reservation and everything. She is one of the party, and many times Mr. Sanglopes was a very good friend of mine. He used to say कि भाई आपके यहाँ इतना काम किया है, मेरे बेटी का क्या होगा? मैंने कहा बेटी तो बहुत नाम कमाएगा, बहुत कमाएगा, आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो he was very apprehensive कि गवर्नमेंट का छोटा मोटा नौकरी मिल जाए. मैंने कहा कि जो गवर्नमेंट का नौकरी बहुत छोटा है, ये बहुत इंडिया को, लद्दाख को छोड़ो, इंडिया को छोड़ो, वर्ल्ड के ऊपर जो है एक्सपर्ट बनेगा. And I tell you, she is one of the best, not in the country, in the world. When she is taught in the UN university, only one person has got it. Only one person. So can you think of a person, lady, going through so many domestic problems also? And I was thinking that, whether she could do it, and she did it, That is the level she, of commitment. So I really salute to her from this desk and to her proud father, and she has brought laurels to not only for the family but to Ladakh and to the country and to the world. And with her innovation and commitment, Ladakh would be a much better place. Thank you for giving me a chance to express me.